Hello, this is Walby again with more SmackDown Here Comes the Pain, continuing the Masters of the Universe tournament here with the created wrestlers. This match is going to feature Zodac against Clamp Champ. Zodac with a 90 superstar rating, Clamp Champ with 75. Clamp Champ is going up against Cosmic Enforcer, so we'll see how that goes. There we go, there's Zodac, the most neutral character in Masters of the Universe. And Clamp Champ just recently had a figure released for Masters of the Universe Classics on MattyCollector.com too. So we'll see if Zodac's going to knock out Clamp Champ, or if Clamp Champ can make Zodac tap out. There's the bell. Zodac opening up with some punches, but Clamp Champ's coming back with one of his own, and boom, a spine buster. Lock up, Clamp Champ punching to the face, and now he's tripping him up. And he's got Zodac in a headlock of sorts. They circle each other, an Irish whip into the ropes. Zodac taunting Clamp Champ with that roll over his back. But here comes Zodac with an arm breaker. Oh man. And now a figure four leg lock, showing Clamp Champ, someone who's a master of submission, just what he's capable of. But Clamp Champ's fighting back. Another Irish whip to the ropes, and what's he going to do? Oh, Zodac with an arm drag. And a pin very early. And not enough to take down Clamp Champ. A punch to the face, and followed by more punches. Clamp Champ driving those elbows into Zodac's lower back. But Zodac comes back up with a punch to the face to stun him long enough with that combination of kicks there. And another figure four leg lock. Zodac's really building up the momentum here, folks. Hip toss going into an arm breaker there, an arm bar on Clamp Champ. Oh, out of the ring. Almost anything can happen, but it looks like Zodac's just standing there. Whoop. Zodac missed that jump over at Clamp Champ. That plancha. And Clamp Champ trying to get back into this thing. These guys are Irish whipping and running and not doing much to each other until just now with that half Nelson suplex. Clamp Champ with a low blow, I'd say that he's had enough, but caught the leg just in time. Following up with punches, but Zodac's got some fists of his own to send off flying. Oh, here we go. the cosmic bottom, if you want to call it that. And Clamp Champ kicks out of it. You can tell he's hurt a little bit, but he's still in this thing. He's still fighting. Oh, there we go. There's a sleeper hold on Zodac from Clamp Champ. More elbows to the back. Zodac broke out of that and has a few more fists to introduce to Clamp Champ's face. And another cosmic bottom. We'll see how this one fares. And he made short work of Clamp Champ from the Masters of the Universe. So Zodac is moving on to the next tier of this tournament. Much like She-Ra and He-Man before him. So there we go. That was a pretty quick one. There you have it, everybody. Zodac with his fancy martial arts moves. Thanks a lot for watching.